Hey, Silas. Silas, what you eating?
He's trying to drink out of orange, and he does like eat it.
He is.
Yeah.
What are you eating? What are you eating, Leah?
A cookie.
What kind of cookie? What?
Look, this one. That's this cookie.
Ooh, what kind of cookie is that?
It's kind of like the sprinkle one.
Is it a sprinkle one? Who made it? Hey, Becky.
Yeah.
What kind of cookie did you say it was? Did you say it's a cool cookie?
Yeah.
Can you say cool cookie? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye, Silas? Silas.
He's smiling.
He's smiling. Silas, can you say bye-bye?
Mom, I need some more. Mom, I need some more.
Okay.